Shenzhen Xinhaoli Electronic Company Limited was established from 2012 and specializes in design and manufacture. With a land area of 2,000 square meters, the company is located in Pinghu Town, Longgong District, Shenzhen City, near to E-Commerce Industrial Park and Metro Station, 40 kilometers away from Shenzhen Bao'an International Airport, and 20 kilometers away from Yantian Port, 15 kilometers away from Shenzhen North Station, enjoying convenient traffic conditions. Our factory have professional design teams, including graph design, electronic, mechanical, and mold design, can manufacture many kinds of plastic toys, light, USB gadgets, table lamp, and other promotional gift for your inspired idea. Our products obtain CE and ROHS certificates. More than 70% of our products are exported to North America, Canada, Europe. They are populated and trusted by customers from around the world. We are exploring new markets, seeking long-term cooperation opportunities. So now, Evermore Enterprise is here in Alibaba.com. We are developing new products, collecting for online retailers, online shops, and growing brand shops in USA and Europe. Welcome to visit our company. Welcome to our showroom with more than 100 square meters. Based on mutual benefits with the good quality, the reasonable price, Evermore hopes to establish a stable and long-term relationship with our customers. Our future cooperation will prove that your choice is correct. We always acknowledge our asset is our customer, and we really hope our products and service will bring you more benefit.